favorite Eyes of Fortune. Those are your progressives. Let's go. We need those tigers all the way across. Oh, yes. Got those kings. All right. Do it. Do it. Three. Yes! Oh, my God. Woo, woo. Let's go. You know what we say? Words. Oh, don't be a dirty girl. Come on. Words. I saw that mini. Words. 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 Get it. Get it. Do it. Oh, one day. Alright, we still got 3 more spins. Do it again. Two. Oh, that was mean. Last spin. Come on, do it. Yes! Oh, man. Okay. Let's go, baby. Got 14 last time. Let's get all 15. Words. I saw that mini. Words. Words. Go down a minor. Minor. Minor mini. Okay. Like anything. Minor mini. Minor mini major. Come on. Alright, we'll take it. Sweet. For $1.25. Not bad. We only put 20 bucks in. It's been pretty active with the jewels. Oh. That was, $25. That was an awesome hit. Do it. One more. Oh. Do it. Oh, I was gonna stop at 130. All right, 125. Do it. Come on. Oh. Last spin. Oh, or not. One more. Come on, do it. Last one. No, not yet. Last one. Come on. All right, that was Eyes of Fortune. Put 20 bucks in. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new here. Leave a comment down below. I appreciate you guys. Take care. New to us. Something from a ruse. I don't know what it's called. Ooh, drive the treasure truck on a wild journey to collect gold and discover hidden riches, or each appearing something expands the reels by 1 position, become 3 in the next spin. 2 or more at, yeah, we're gonna go with 8 free games. $1.50 bet. So that will expand on the next reel. So it keeps it, oh, okay, it's like Handpay when it keeps increasing. Is that the wire? Oh, that was good. I don't think it was that much. But now the right one is going to expand. Ooh. There we go. City of Gold Mayan is what it's called. Ooh, yes. Oh. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go, Math. Do it. Oh, yes. Oh, we need that 5th reel. What is that? $9. We've only won $21 so far. We still have 2 more spins. Come on. Do it. Last spin. Come on. Woo! Oh, we need the mask on the 4th reel or a re-trigger. $23. That was terrible.
To this point, we've already given away over $250.
Here you go.